Life is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumphs and tribulations. Each day, we face a myriad of challenges, anxieties, and uncertainties. The weight of these worries can feel overwhelming, casting shadows on even the brightest of days. We yearn for solace, for a guiding light to illuminate the path through our troubles. In times of hardship, we often search for answers in the wisdom of the past. For centuries, spiritual teachings have provided comfort and guidance to countless souls navigating the complexities of life. One such teaching, a beautiful hadith from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, offers a profound solution to the problems that plague our hearts and minds. The hadith, a collection of sayings and traditions attributed to the Prophet Muhammad, serves as a source of guidance and inspiration for Muslims around the world. One particular hadith, known for its profound simplicity and wisdom, states, "Whoever wakes up in the morning secure in his dwelling, healthy in his body, and having his food for the day, it is as if he owned the whole world." These words, though few, carry within them a powerful message of contentment and gratitude. They remind us that true wealth lies not in material possessions or worldly achievements, but in the simple blessings we often take for granted. The Hadith's message is a potent antidote to the anxieties that stem from our relentless pursuit of more. We live in a society that constantly urges us to strive for bigger, better, and faster. This relentless pursuit of the future often blinds us to the abundance already present in our lives. By focusing on the essentials, a safe place to sleep, good health, and sustenance for the day, the Hadith encourages us to appreciate the present moment. It reminds us that true happiness is not found in the accumulation of possessions, but in the recognition of the blessings we already possess. Section 4. Stories of surrender and contentment. History is replete with stories of individuals who found peace and contentment not through worldly success, but through embracing the wisdom of simplicity and gratitude. One such story is that of the Sufi mystic, Rabia al-Adawiyya. Known for her piety and devotion, Rabia lived a life of voluntary poverty, finding joy in her connection with the divine rather than material possessions. When asked why she did not seek worldly comforts, she replied, "My heart is so full of the love of God that there is no room in it for anything else." Section 5. Embracing the beauty of trust. The Hadith's message is not just about finding contentment in our current circumstances, but also about cultivating a deep sense of trust in a higher power. By acknowledging that we have been provided with the essentials for the day, we affirm our faith that we will be taken care of, both today and in the future. This trust is not passive resignation, but an active surrender to a power greater than ourselves. It is a belief that even in the face of uncertainty and hardship, we are not alone. This faith, this unwavering trust, is the bedrock of true peace and tranquility. Section 6. A path to lasting tranquility. The wisdom of the Hadith is timeless and universal. It transcends cultural and religious boundaries, offering a path to lasting peace and fulfillment for all who embrace its message. By shifting our focus from what we lack to what we already possess, by cultivating gratitude for the simple yet profound blessings in our lives, we can begin to loosen the grip of worry and anxiety. The Hadith's message is not a call to complacency, but an invitation to approach life with a heart filled with gratitude and trust. It is a reminder that true wealth is not measured in material possessions, but in the richness of our relationships, the strength of our faith, and the peace that comes from knowing that we are exactly where we need to be.